Dear students, a very warm welcome to you all to the class of Information and Communication Technology. First of all, let us get familiar with ICT textbook. What is the thing that help us to take the class or watch the class? Technology, isn't it? What is meant by technology? If we use our scientific knowledge in a practical way, that is technology. Technology means scientific knowledge used in practical way. The word we use more is information technology, isn't it? What is information technology? It is a wide area. Information technology means the study or use of electronic equipment, especially computer, for storing, analyzing and sending out information. Are you studying IT? Is it IT teacher teaching you? Is your textbook IT? Is there any doubt? We have to be doubtful because it is ICT. What is ICT? Information and Communication Technology. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology that provides access to information through telecommunication. We can see a new word communication there. There will be telecommunication devices also in ICT. Writings, images, videos, etc. are included in ICT. So your textbook is ICT, your class is ICT class. Now you are in 8th standard. First, let us get familiar with our textbook. There are two parts for textbook, each having 5 units. Did you remember the name of our last year textbook? E@Vidya. You have learned a few things from it by going there in practical lab. This year we have examinations also along with it. We have to prepare for exam along with our class. So we will study the first 5 units before our examination. Let us get acquainted with them. So we will study the first 5 units before our examination. Let us get acquainted with them. Our first chapter is when a letter reaches the computer. Here we learn how to type letters using computer keyboard. We may not have used correct fingers for typing in previous classes, but in this chapter we will get familiar to type the letters by using all our fingers in correct order. Our second unit is the wonderland of pictures. Here it is the continuation of the first chapter we learned in the previous year, E@Vidya. Do you remember that? The chapter in which we learned to draw pictures using paint. Here we study an advanced level software for such drawing. The name of that software is GIMP, that is GNU Image Manipulation Program. Next, we will study to type in our mother tongue, that is in Malayalam. Using the same finger position, we learn to type in first chapter. So the third chapter is can you type Amma in the computer. Now we are watching the classes using smartphones. What is the facility that help us for it? Yes, it is internet. Then our fourth chapter is the amazing world at your fingertips. I know all of you are interested in playing computer games. You know a lot of games are there in our computer. How will be it if we create a game? Just think about making a game yourself and giving it to play to others. So, the fifth chapter, that is the last chapter in our first volume textbook, My Own Computer Game. Here we will learn some basics of program making. Now let us go to our second volume. First unit in second volume, that is sixth unit, is data analysis made easy. Really, what is the purpose of using computer? Yes, which helps us to handle or analyze big data easily. We will learn data analysis in sixth chapter. There is laboratory also in our computer. We will learn it in seventh chapter. Its name is Laboratories in Your Computer. Now we prepare projects in various subjects. Just imagine you do a project in science, social science, maths, or even in ICT. How can you do it? Yes, you prepare all these in papers and submit them to teachers. How will be it if we digitalize these projects? By preparing slides and inserting videos, sounds and pictures in them using computer. Yes, it will be more attractive. So the chapter that makes you possible for it is our eighth chapter, that is presentation made easy. We can learn slide preparation and presentation in this chapter. Now, how recording is possible in computer? The ninth chapter, that is Hello Mic Testing, will teach us that. How can we input sound and change it into another forms? These matters we will discuss there in ninth chapter. Now the last chapter, that is My Computer. It will help us to learn some matters about hardware like its physical structure. Now we got a general idea about all the contents we have to study in 8th standard ICT. Let us start our journey through these all wonders of computer from next class onwards. All of us are well aware about our limitations to experience the ideas we learn through practical in present scenario. Only those who have computer system at home can practice our lessons completely. So you have to write down required points in a notebook, which will be helpful for you when you come to computer lab after opening the school. Let us see with the ideas of our first chapter in the next class. Thank you all and have a nice day.